This is the Mindrolling Monastery in Town, a suburb of Dehradun. This lovely location is like a mini Tibet. You can find excellent Tibetan food and Tibetan handicrafts. But there is a poignant story. In March 1959, the Chinese army surrounded the Tibetan capital, Lhasa. The Chinese general invited the Tibetan leader, the Dalai Lama, to witness a concert. But he asked that the Dalai Lama come without his bodyguards. The Dalai Lama rightly suspected a plot. So he fled Lhasa, disguised as a soldier. 2 weeks later, he surfaced at the Tawang Monastery in India. Meanwhile, the Chinese army overran Tibet. Nearly 150,000 Tibetans fled to India. India welcomed them and offered them colonies where the Tibetans could freely pursue their culture. Town is one such colony. Among the refugees was a 22-year-old monk named Khochen Rinpoche. At the time of the Chinese invasion, he was a student at the Mindrolling Monastery in Tibet. That Mindrolling Monastery was built in 1676 and belongs to the oldest of the 4 schools of Tibetan Buddhism. Khochen Rinpoche nurtured a dream of recreating that monastery. So in 1965, along with a small group of monks, he selected a plot of land here in Town and founded this Mindrolling Monastery. He also established a college where Buddhist scholars study religion, philosophy, and other subjects. The monastery is famous for its tall Thukpa, where beautiful murals and relics have been preserved. It is said to be one of the tallest Buddhist stupas in the world.